Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is James. So today I had a comment and I thought maybe I would respond to that comment with a short little video, because I think this will actually be helpful to maybe a lot of people. But so the comment was, what paint did I use for my Cub Yellow when I painted this house of balsa? This is the Chipmunk model, and I painted this the turtle deck area because this didn't have Monokote. This was just a piece of plastic. This whole thing is a piece of plastic, and I had to, mask it off and paint it. I painted black up here, but this color back here I had to find, and I was looking for a Cub Yellow. So when I was looking for my Cub Yellow, I realized that I was trying to sort of match. Really, what I was trying to match was the Cub Yellow Monokote that I put on this plane. And actually the Canadian, this Canadian color yellow may not be exactly the same as Cub Yellow anyhow. But anyhow, so what I wanted to do is I obviously needed to find a paint to match really the Monokote Cub Yellow. And that's what I tried to do. So I was looking online, and I wasn't too successful. I'm sure you can find it. But what I did is I went down to my local Home Depot, and they had this paint in stock, which is the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. This is gloss, and it's Golden Sunset. Now, the only way I can describe Golden Sunset from like a typical yellow is it's just not as bright. I guess it would be a little bit, just a slightly bit darker than maybe a typical yellow. But in any case, this is what I used, and so this is the Monokote Yellow or Cub Yellow, and you can see that it matches pretty well, obviously. And then then over here, this is my Hanger 9 Piper Cub, which I'm doing a little bit of repair work on right now. But this is the Piper Cub from Hanger 9, and I think they use UltraCote. So I'm sure they used UltraCote, their Cub Yellow, and this matches it pretty well also. So it's not perfect, and probably wouldn't even be able to tell. But in any case, so this is the one that I used. Again, it's this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Golden Sunset Gloss, and I got this at Home Depot. And it seems to have worked out pretty well for my for these two kits. All right, well, I hope that was helpful for anybody who's looking for a yellow paint to sort of match a Cub Yellow. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.